It's a beautiful day at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, and I'm showing you a 2025 Premier 270 SuperSport. This has the RF layout, which means it has rear-facing couches. There is a changing booth underneath this couch right here. You just pull up the handle and you have your canvas under there. There's a mirror so you can touch up your makeup after swimming before you go to the lakeside restaurant. There's room to put a porta potty in there so you can use it like a little head. This has wireless phone chargers. It has an upgraded stereo system with the JL audio, speakers, stereo, and subwoofer. This has amazing sound. And there are stainless steel RGB lighted cup holders and speakers throughout the boat. This has the mahogany teak seagrass flooring, which pairs really nicely with the black fiberglass. This is an upgrade, more of a sleeker look. It has the large 12-inch Simrad touchscreen display, wireless charger at the captain's helm, and then we have a co-captain's helm as well. So you can sit side by side, his and hers, while you're cruising across the lake for date night. It has a windshield to keep you nice and protected from those elements. It extends your boating season actually later into the late summer, early fall, so that when it's a little bit chillier, you can throw on a sweatshirt, hide behind this windshield, and stay protected from the wind and the waves. There's a wireless charger for the co-captain, refrigerated cup holder for the co-captain, and for the captain as well. And this has a whopping 98-gallon fuel capacity. So you're going to be out cruising all day and all weekend long without having to fuel up. Has a digital throttle shifting with the active trim control button. So this is great for people who are just wanting to cruise around and keep an eye out on the boat traffic but not really have to do much. You can just hit that active trim. It'll keep you on plane no matter what kind of chop the lake has from boat traffic or from windy conditions. This interior vinyl is so smooth, it's like butter. This is the blonde base with the cognac accents, and it's got the quilted stitching here. It is a beautiful layout. You do not want to miss out on this deal. This is a 2025. It is going to be heavily discounted going into 2026 here. We are going into the fall, and we hope that you and your family will come check it out and see what there is to explore on board. We would love to take you for a test drive, so come see us today at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, or go online to MarineMax.com and see our other Premier pontoons for sale.